So when I first got my Montreal, one of the first things I noticed was that this lever on the back of the air filter, which is designed for the air temperature. So when it's cold out, you move it where it sits now, and when it's warm out, you move it up over here, and it turns this wheel right here. Now this is the old cable. I don't know if it's original, but it's definitely old, and it worked okay, but it's too short. You can see how much shorter it is than the new one. And it did not only is the housing short, but the actual cable is short, and it did not let me get it onto this little arm in here in a trunnion far enough that I could get all three positions. It was only the highest two, which is probably fine because, you know, the car is not going to get driven a lot during the winter, but it's nice now to at least have it. I got a Shimano brake cable, and this cylinder here is too big, but I was able to grind it down. There's a product I bought. And just with a little time on the grinder, I was able to grind that down. And then now, if I move the lever, that's the warmest, and we've got a little bit of slack here. And there's our middle position and the coldest. So probably won't make any real difference in the real world because I'm not likely to be running it too much when it's cold enough out that it should be set like that. But then again, I'm in northern New England and I do run my cars right up until there's salt on the road, so maybe it will be worthwhile. But it's also just nice to have it working. Now just to cut off the extra cable, put a cable end on it so it doesn't fray, and maybe spend some time adjusting it in the future. But it's nice to have one more thing resolved on the car.